Hi, I'm Jason Scudellari with Motor Trend, and today we're here to talk about Classic Performance Products Hydrastop Assist System. Let's check it out. So personally, I have a lot of experience with this kit with our Week to Wicked program. The step-by-step instructions couldn't be easier, and I feel anyone could be comfortable enough to do it themselves. As you see, the kit includes everything you're going to need, from hoses, fittings, and the Hydrastop itself. It features a Corvette-style aluminum master cylinder, and if you really want to dress it up, you can get their showstopper in chrome. The whole system runs off your power steering pump, so there are no worries about having low or no vacuum. According to CPP, the Hydrastop will give you 80% more clamping force. One of the benefits of this system is not having to worry about that hard pedal or that disappointing brake performance. The system puts out 1800 PSI, which makes it great for cars with big cams or just low vacuum applications. So this feature is a bolt-in installation, which makes it easier to go from manual brakes or power brakes. It's easy to install with tools you already have in your garage. The bolt-on billet bracket is specifically made for your application with an airtight seal. This makes it the cleanest and closest install to your firewall. So my experience behind the wheel from stoplight to stoplight is nothing but good. Easy stopping power. If you need to, you can get out of trouble. But the other good thing about this is getting it on the track. As you're coming down the straightaway to enter that first turn, you're going to have plenty of brake to stop you in time, get around that turn, and accelerate to the next. So that's an overview of the Hydrastop Assist System. Thanks for watching, and for more information, go to classicperform.com.